Now we go to page 101. Okay, 101. We are not going to do page 100. Cross it. We are not going to do page 100, so you can cross the page. We are going to do page 101. All right, write today's date again, 21st April 2020. Today is Tuesday. All right, now first one, number 1. School was dismissed at 6:25 p.m. Annie took 25 minutes to walk home. What time did Annie reach home? Now, this is very simple. She only took 25 minutes to walk home. What we do is we just add. So, on the side, draw a working column. All right. And you can add 6:25 plus 25. All right, 6:25 plus 25 is, if you add, you get 650. All right, so here you can write down step 1. You can draw a line. Remember, I've taught you to draw lines to write your steps. So, 6:25 plus 25 minutes is equal to 650. So, this, because we are writing the time, you have to write AM or PM, all right? So, Annie statement, Annie reached home at 6:50 p.m. All right. Next sum. Betty started waiting for a bus at 11:08 a.m. The bus arrived at 11:30 a.m. For how long did Betty wait at the bus? Now again, over here the hour is the same, so we can minus straight away. Now draw a working column. Okay, and write down the bigger number, which is 11:30 minus 11:08. Two, and 11 and 11 is the same, so 0. All right. So again, I'm going to draw the step, line to write the step, line to write the statement. (11:30) minus 11:08 is equal to 22 minutes. So, Betty waited for 22 minutes at the bus stop. So, all right, now sum number 3 we are not going to do, so cross it. All right. And even sum number 3 we are not going to do. Please cross it. Now move to the next page. Sum number 4. Page 102. Sum number 4. Again, make sure you write the short date. Draw a line, write the short date. Okay, so sum number 4. Kaylee put a cake in the oven at 11:50 a.m. The cake took 1 hour and 45 minutes to bake. What time was the cake ready? Now I'm going to show this sum by using a timeline. So first thing you do is draw a timeline. Alright, now what is the start time? 11:50. Start time is 11:50. How long did she take to make the cake? 1 hour and 45 minutes. So the next hour is 12:50. So this is 1 hour. Alright? This is 1 hour. Now, you have to add some more 45 minutes. So, 12, I'm going to draw a working column on the side. Okay? So, 12:50 plus 45. Is 12:95. Now there is no such time as 12:95. So what do? I have to take out 60 minutes from here. 95. From 95 I take out 60 minutes. And which is 1 hour, and I add it to the 12. So, the 12, if I add 1, becomes 1. And what is remaining over here? 95 minus 60 is 35. Alright? Please understand this. 12:50 plus 45 is 12:95. Now, there is no such time as 12:95. There is no such time. We don't have time as 12:95. We cannot say it's 12:95 now, isn't it? So what we do is, from the 95 minutes, we can take out 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. So I'm going to take out the 1 hour and add it to 12. The 12 becomes 1, because after 12 you have 1 o'clock again. Alright? Or you can say the 12 becomes 13. 13 is 1 o'clock. Okay, in the afternoon. So 1:35. So over here I'm going to get the time. So what time does the cake get ready? At 1:35 p.m. Alright, the cake is ready at 1:35 p.m. And then write the statement. Draw a line to write the statement. The cake was ready at 1:35 p.m. All right, now again, sum number 5 we are not doing, so I've crossed it. You can cross it also. We are not doing sum number 5, all right? We are going to do sum number 6. Okay, let me read first. Mei-ling attends school from 7:30 a.m. to 12:50 p.m. How much time does she spend in school? So, in this one, we have the start time and we have the end time. We need to find out the duration of time passed. So, what we do is draw a timeline. Okay, so the start time is 7:30. The end time is 12:50. Now I'm going to start counting in 1 hour duration or 1 hour jumping jacks. So from 7:30, the next hour is 8:30. That is 1 hour. Alright. The next hour is 9:30. So that is 2 hours. The next hour is 10:30. So that is 3 hours. The next hour is 11:30. So that is 4 hours. Now the next hour is 12:30. So that is 5 hours. Okay? Can you see that? Alright. Now from 12:30 up till 12:50, how many minutes? From 12:30 until 12:50, how many minutes? Now if you can't do it in your head, you can minus. On the side, you can draw a working column and you can minus 50 minus 30 is 20 minutes. Alright? So from 12:30 up till 12:50, it is 20 minutes. Alright, so now we have the timeline. How many hours? 5 hours and 20 minutes. So, write the statement. Draw the star. Mei-ling spends 5 hours and 20 minutes in school.